Digital marketing tip number 29. Okay guys, ensure in your website on all website pages you have a contactable form, okay? Why is that important? Look, never ever send a customer or a prospect or a lead, any sort of traffic to your website where there's no contactable form. You will lose the opportunity to get that person to convert even easier. Look, the more easier you make it for people, the more easier you make it for your leads, the more likely they are to engage and take action and do something. Some people don't want to phone and just click on a phone number to phone. Some people rather leave an inquiry. So if it's a person you're targeting and you want to make it easier and give them options, because options is what sells, right? So ensure on all your landing pages you have a contactable form. So normally what I do for my clients is to ensure that every page has a contactable form, I put on the footer, that's the bottom section of your website, I put a form, so it's shown on all pages. Now some other pages will also have another form, but that's okay. You want to make sure you have as many contactable functionality for your leads to make it easy to give them options so you can see an increase of more people who leave inquiries. Guys, that's been digital marketing tip number 29 of 101. I hope you subscribe to our 101 marketing tips. I've been Galinda, Mr. Marketing. I look forward to seeing you in the next tip. Thank you.